Today we are looking at the BELEY T10355 Crankshaft Pulley Holding Wrench, a dedicated tool for locking the vibration damper on VW, Audi, Seat, and Skoda 1.8 and 2.0 engines, so you can safely loosen and tighten that stubborn crank bolt without wrecking parts or your knuckles. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. Instead of a classic unboxing with the car on the lift, you are seeing a screencast so we can focus on what matters: what this tool is supposed to do, how it is built, where it fits, and where it can let you down.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The BELEY T10355 follows the geometry of the original VAG-style holding wrench. You get a long-handled bar with pins that engage in the holes of the crankshaft pulley or vibration damper on the 1.8 and 2.0 TSI and TFSI engines. The idea is simple. Lock the pulley, put a breaker bar or torque wrench on the crank bolt, and avoid risky tricks like wedging screwdrivers or forcing the flywheel. This is exactly the operation where a proper holding tool either makes the job boring and safe or turns it into a fight. Build quality is fine for its price. The steel has enough strength for normal use, but it is not premium workshop gear. Welds and paint can be rough, and some pieces may arrive with small burrs on the pins or uneven coating. For home mechanic or small garage, this is usually okay, and still far better than improvising with random metal bars. For daily pro use, you should inspect the pins, check the welds, and make sure everything is seated tight before trusting it with full torque on a stuck crank bolt. Fitment decides if this tool is great or annoying. On engines it is designed for, the pins line up with the pulley holes and give a solid hold with little play, which is exactly what you want when you are close to timing components. If your engine code matches the 1.8 or 2.0 range, and the crank pulley is original style, it should sit correctly and feel positive in hand. If you have an aftermarket damper, heavy rust, paint buildup, or damaged holes, expect to spend a moment adjusting and test fitting. If the pins only catch the edge or slip out when you apply force, stop and fix the setup. Forcing it in that state will chew the pulley and defeats the whole point of buying a dedicated tool. In use, the long handle gives decent leverage so you can counter the crank bolt torque without strange body positions. On very stubborn bolts, you can slide a pipe over it, but that is where its limits show. Push it too far and you risk flexing or slightly bending the bar or pins, which is the trade-off with budget tools. Used with common sense and proper engagement, it does what it promises. It holds the pulley steady so you can crack the bolt loose and retorque it without jumping teeth, shocking the crankshaft, or stressing the timing system. The main strength of the BELEY T10355 is clear. It is aimed at popular VW, Audi, Seat, and Skoda engines, it mimics the correct geometry, and it costs much less than OEM special tools. You're paying for workable design, not flawless finishing. The compromise is that quality control is not always perfect. Some users will get a straight, clean tool that works first try. Others may see cosmetic flaws, need to deburr the pins, or accept that this is more of a solid DIY grade tool than a lifetime professional investment. If you want a tool you can abuse every day at maximum torque, a higher-end option is the safer bet. Before you rely on it, confirm your engine code and pulley style, check engagement in all pin positions, and remember, this wrench only holds the crankshaft pulley. It does not replace proper timing locks for cams or crank alignment, and it is not a magic fix for damaged dampers. Treat it as one part of the correct setup for belt, chain, seal, or front-end jobs on these engines. Overall, this is an honest, practical option. For most owners and small garages working on VAG 1.8 and 2.0 engines, the BELEY T10355 can save time, protect expensive parts, and make the crank bolt job safer as long as you inspect it, seat it properly, and respect its limits. If this breakdown helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share your real experience with this tool in the comments.